your girlfriend's hair?
No.
No?
What am I? Her dad.
I have a sip and he ends up saying some shit.
You guys aren't just as loving as I am.
What the f? I swear. And then your girl cheated on you. Forget about it. Dude, I did it since. That is not normal. That is not normal.
Beautiful.
I'm back.
This is
See, listen, Parul,
Yeah.
this is usually not.
Parul G on Untriggered. When I say Parul G, it sounds like I'm being very respectful, no?
But you're just like making my surname
Like
into
surname
like,
short.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up? What's happening? Do we
Nothing
look
much.
fabulous?
Why
Like
are we not addressing
how are we not
the fact?
acknowledging
Yeah,
that
can
we
we
are
address-
grown ass men,
grown boys?
grown ass boys,
Boys
with wigs on.
Yeah.
with hair
I
extensions.
love
They are hair
Stuvie's wig.
extension.
I think Stuvie looks fabulous.
This is the
Thank you,
only
baby.
way.
No,
Oh,
bro.
yeah.
Look at
You
you.
know-
Yeah, Yugu also. Yugu's got a,
Can
like
we
a
rate?
Van
Can
Helsing
we,
vibe.
Can you rate us?
Oh.
as
She
a-
can't rate her own products, bro.
No.
I can rate
not.
the look.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
look.
yeah,
Yeah.
10. That's 10 on
Thank you.
10 for me. That's the cutest.
Stewie.
I never
Yeah.
thought I'd like fringes before. You know?
Now you know what you're into. Are you into that?
I love it.
Okay.
Then somehow I love that look because it's looking very luscious. So I'll give 8.5.
Oh.
Okay. This is very basic that actually.
Hey, you put this on me, man.
You chose
This
to make
wasn't
a
this was
music.
my
I think
choice.
that's something you can already do.
Whatever,
You
I
can grow
look
your
great.
hair from the side and color it. So I'll give that like 5.
That's a good rapper look.
This.
And then this is pretty, but it's
Mid-level,
not looking
mid-level.
very good on you.
Yeah.
So I'll give this also like 5.
bitch.
But I can,
What?
I can increase it to 8 if you do your classic hair flip.
Okay.
Classic hair
Wait,
flip.
wait,
It
wait.
became
It's already
classic
become a
after.
No,
classic.
editor.
Sorry, I'm too close.
Slow
to
motion. It's for slow motion.
And there has to be background music also.
this. No, wait, let me clean it first.
I'm singing Careless Whisper.
You sing that, which was the music that'll come when friends may, she would do
Oh,
her
yeah,
hair.
Oh,
yeah.
da-da-da-da-da.
No, it was.
No.
It's that
बाल
one, bro.
निकलना चाहिए.
Which is that song?
Take care of you,
If you
don't
like pina
No,
colada.
that
And then
wasn't
just
it.
do this.
Yeah, that's
Let's
what
do it together.
ठीक है,
Yeah,
चल,
1, 2, 3.
Oh, same thing.
What is happening?
We should start like this,
Has to
bro.
be a compilation.
This is yeah.
This is the start. Yeah.
This is where we start.
But these are like, I don't know. Ever since I've put it on, it's been like what 10 minutes,
Yeah.
and like I feel different. I can
Yeah.
see. I can. Yeah.
Empowering hai thoda.
Yeah,
it
is.
It has a.
Like I
effect
feel like
on-
my hair also has a life of its own. Otherwise,
Yeah,
it
like,
didn't.
I don't know. There is something about
You didn't care about it otherwise, right?
my hair, no?
There wasn't
Yeah.
much of it also on the head. So
Yeah, we are actually all kind of struggling with. Like, I feel like our hairlines are going back.
I'm
you know
not
what I was going to
struggling,
ask
dude.
you?
Yeah.
Speak
When
for
are you
yourself,
coming
bro.
out with the men's
I've
product?
actually started. I've started making products and they're pre-cut products. You can just wear it on. I should have gotten, but you all have
But then
good
that
hair.
would have been.
But you all have good hair, so I don't think you need.
We also.
Stuvie doesn't have.
I have to
But
shave my
he's-
head off
But
completely.
you, it's like a buzz cut.
Yeah.
He looks like Spike from Toy Story.
No, but like, I don't know what it is, if it's the water or if it's just genetics, because my granddad has long hair.
You know?
Like
So,
this?
and he's like 70 something. So I don't think it's genetics. Maybe my mom's side, because they're all bald. My mom isn't bald.
Like
If
her
she had
dad.
a fix,
Yeah. Just in case, if ever. But yeah, I think it's my mom's side of the family. They're all.
But it
But
depends on who's your, like your hair, your skin goes more on. More on. But yeah, like for me, my mama has very good hair, but my dad doesn't. So I think mine has gone on him.
Okay.
Because it's really it's pretty thin, so it's all extensions that makes it look. But also I think it's a lifestyle.
Yeah.
Where people don't realize it, and right now you're young, doesn't matter, life is just this much. I'll sleep at 3 a.m, wake up at this time. But actually there's a fact, like literally it says that if you sleep at certain time, your skin replenishes,
Yeah.
your hair, your everything starts working. It's somewhere between 12 to 2 if I'm not wrong. Like so
Yeah.
that's when if you sleep, your skin is
No,
doing
but
its
that is
work.
you see that very evidently after every all-nighter, like in the morning, you see one pop up, like one pimple pop up, like it happens every time. So sleep though, for sure. And I don't know, like
Eating
I've been trying to
habits.
fix it for months, it just doesn't happen. Like I'll fix it for 2 days, then it's back to, I don't know, what time do you sleep?
3.
Itna
wonder.
she's being all like holier than thou.
Lately, because now there are no work commitments. There's nothing. Everyone's going for holidays. I've started my party space, and my party is like me sitting with myself, watching something nice and working. So for me, it works, and I think I can work better after 12 when there's silence, like there's nobody disturbing me. So yeah.
So what does a regular day like for you?
In Parul's life,
Look like?
Wow.
day in the life.
So since I'm living 3 lives of an actor, businesswoman, and kind of creating
God
content.
damn, girl!
So it depends which day it is. Like, for
Actor,
example,
businesswoman, and what?
like creating content for
Content creator.
Instagram
Okay,
where
right.
we all get
Yeah,
make money
yeah,
from
yeah,
eventually.
Yeah.
So
Speak for yourself. We ain't making no money.
must be.
You must think so, but
You guys are so funny. Why aren't
That
you
We're
was
a little,
Instagram?
we're a little too funny, I feel, for brands.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
the
brands
problem.
don't
like funny.
Yeah, because like we say things.
We
say a
things.
lot of things.
It's gotten you till here, imagine.
Yeah, yeah.
Like roasting others gotten you to work with the person who's roasting,
That's
who you
what
were
I
roasting.
love. That's what I love about.
She already did all the research in such little
she's done
time.
some
Yeah.
research. Right?
Some research.
Okay,
huh?
then
She
tell
did
us
it
your
on her way here, bro.
Yeah.
Which is
business
insane.
day.
I'm
Yeah.
grateful that you've done
Yeah.
that because a lot of times it happens that people just come and then they expect like a very normal interview. That's happened, right?
I don't know, bro. Maybe like things change after a certain point because like now people come here with like a PR person, assistant, hair and makeup, manager, and there's like 8 people in the room just staring at you. And then
Yeah.
after 20 minutes, they're all going this.
Yeah, fucking hate that shit.
And we're like, bro, like don't do this now, and if you don't want to. Anyway, I really break
Just
down.
wanted to
We're-
rant, bro.
We're digressing.
He had a meltdown right now. in the
Listening to
middle
you
of
guys,
this.
I'm a good listener.
No, but tell us, like, what is the day in the life of?
So, for example, yesterday I started with shooting for this brand, a skincare brand, and then going in the office, bossing around a little, and then just going to the gym and walking in the building. Yeah, boss around. I asked Arya, sitting like I'll just out of nowhere, I'll just pick on what are you doing and why are you doing that, and then I'll just send her inside for a meeting. So I'll be sitting in my cabin and doing a meeting. And if it's a shoot day, then I wake up whatever time it is. If they say 5 a.m., I wake up at 5 a.m. I go on set, massage my face so that it doesn't look bloated.
There's no bossing around on
There
shoot.
she is bossed
As our
no,
director
I
go,
can
you won't
boss
be like,
around
"Kya
my
kar
team now." my makeup, hair, and my spot. No, but I think I'm somebody who likes to be in charge ever since I've had a business. So,
But
Yeah.
do you get like angry? They-
How are you as a boss? Like, how would you define yourself as a boss?
Arya, how would you define me as a boss? I'm sorry,
A live critique you're going to get from your
yeah. She's with me
staff.
24/7.
She's very caring as a boss because she knows what her employees like and she tries to.
No, wait, listen.
She wants to be nice.
You
They
can
want to
be, you
listen to
can be
nice
honest.
stuff.
Be honest.
Diwali bonus is already done.
Diwali bonus is locked. वो lock हो
Everything
गया
is locked
हम
up.
escrow में
It's
चल
all
देंगे.
good. It's all good.
It
You
will
just
come
have
back
to
by the end of this month.
just be honest.
हाँ, she'll be honest.
Gossip queen. Like, I
Okay.
the office, मुझे gossip चाहिए.
There. All the juice is coming now.
That I do.
Bro, but even I do that. Like
I call them in the cabinet and I'm saying like outside it's a meeting going on, but we're just talking about another.
You're like
employee.
Michael Scott.
Another, oh yes, and I have my Dwight on my table, bobblehead, and I have the world's best boss.
nice.
Did you give that? Did you get that for
That's damn
yourself?
cool.
No, somebody gifted me.
Then it doesn't
Oh.
count.
What do you mean?
Do you
You're
like call
supposed to buy it for
meetings?
yourself.
Do you call meetings when you're bored?
What's something? Oh, I'm the biggest office fan. Yeah, sometimes I'm just like, send this person in and I want to discuss about my personal life or like a breakup I'm going through or something sad in my life. So yeah.
You went through a breakup recently?
Yeah.
Okay,
Gonna talk
okay.
about it.
Yeah, this is your office. They're
This
all
is
employees.
yeah,
Yeah.
they're all your employees today.
But more than employees, there are more people watching this. I don't want to give out too many names.
They doesn't
They're
matter.
all
They
here.
don't
They're
count,
all
they're not
here.
here.
Dude, no joke. I forgot those cameras were on.
Yeah,
that's-
some like we tend to
This
forget
happens
also,
a lot.
like, after
Yeah.
after a while.
Oh, sorry.
No. So I was watching this reel once. So there was this girl who was saying, you post about your relationship, then you post about where you went first. Then once you start, like you break up, then you unfollow each other, and we have to go check on your profile. We have to, if we invested so much in your life, you have to tell us everything about your breakup also. The thing is that I never told about my relationship on the
Yeah.
That's
Instagram,
smart.
so I don't think I
this
need to
is-
tell anybody about my.
It's a smart
but
way.
like-
to
That's a smart
do it.
move.
You just did.
Yeah, like little kind of. I mean,
No, she just said it's over. That's it.
Okay.
Huh.
It's true.
Yeah.
No, but that whole public relationships, like,
It's a tricky space overall to navigate.
It's
Yeah,
very
yeah.
stupid to
like,
make a
disclose that
relationship
information.
public. Yeah.
And especially when you are kind of a public person,
Yeah.
your life has been out there, you don't want to share something that's so personal also. Something you want to keep it for yourself. And anyway, I post so much on Instagram. So that's one thing I wanted to keep it to myself.
yeah.
अभी थोड़ा
Nazar also.
हाँ वो भी है
Nazar.
वो भी है.
Nazar लगता है.
You believe in Nazar?
I believe in energy. So like,
And
this
said
hair
this
on.
10 times.
yeah.
You know, he looks
It's
like,
like
a-
I've just come back from a tarot reading.
You look like a tarot reader, bro, right now.
Like, I believe in like energy and vibes. Like you sense someone's energy, right? If,
Absolutely,
yeah.
yeah. If someone's like a person you don't want to chill with, you.
Nazar, I don't know.
Nazar exists, bro.
It's like the only way it exists in our lives is like if we feel like something good is going to happen and then we tell everyone in the starting
goes to
only,
shit,
and
yeah.
then you're like, "Arey, kya ho gaya?"
No, I created a brand called Evil Eye Jewel because I believe in Nazar. That's why I was
Yeah,
asking.
no, we
No,
were,
I'm a
we
bit
were
big.
leading to that.
Oh, sorry. No, I thought you were saying Nazar, so I was like, I believe in it heavily.
Okay.
I mean, I wear an anklet which has Evil Eye on it. Like,
The blue eye award.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
got the
only
thing
you can
on the
see it,
wall.
see.
So
We have
this,
it here
but this
also.
is for luck. This is not.
I mean,
it's supposed to ward off
Yes.
evil as well.
Yeah, this is that Hamsa hand.
It's a
Yeah.
Hamsa hand, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how much I believe in it, but then it's also like when you're doing a lot of stuff, and when you do a lot of stuff, some of it fails. So you're like, okay, let me have something to blame also. Like,
Oh, yeah, I blame.
why should I blame myself? Like, someone else who had nothing to do with it has something to do with this.
This is the superstition
But it's
problem,
when
right?
shit doesn't go through. That's when you believe in Nazar. Like something should have happened, but it didn't
Haan,
happen.
the fact that you mention something to someone and then things
Yeah.
fall through.
Yeah. No, I Nazar aside, I don't think if you have a lot of stuff going on, you should go around telling
Telling
people that
people,
I'm doing
yeah.
this, I'm doing that, because that's
Facts.
just. Even apart from all of that, everyone has an opinion, right, about what you do. So like, it kind of takes you away from what you were trying to do in the first place.
Absolutely.
So that's why I don't post my girlfriends.
Girlfriends.
It all
So
comes-
the other girlfriends won't get to know.
Friends.
Girlfriends.
Yeah, see, that is also thoda tricky because like if you are with someone and it may end, but it takes a while for it to fully sink in
That
for
it's
social
over.
media that it's over. Unless you blatantly like post something.
What announcement that, hey guys,
Like a wedding.
People
like,
do that, bro.
ऐसा
Breakup
watch
announcement,
किया, like,
breakup video. They
On
do.
Instagram.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they
But
do.
that
I've
they
seen
do
those
only when it's
vlogs.
like extremely public. Bro.
हाँ.
Like उनका खुद का account
Then
रहेगा
they, I
जोड़ी
think
का.
they owe it to them. It's
public,
happened
हाँ,
with few
हाँ, हाँ.
content creators that because their life was so public, then they, I think their fans wanted to know and just they didn't want their fans to have an assumption of something. So they want to clear the air, I think.
closure for.
But it's
Bless you.
also easy.
Just content, bro.
It's easy views.
Yeah, it's a lot of views.
Like if you ever do a breakup video, that's 100% going to be the most viewed video on your feed or
I
channel.
have it in my notes, that video ka script. Not the script, it's just like everything. The rant is there.
The videos always start like this.
So you know what happened. But I need to tell you all that after long 6 years,
Are you doing this
we
on?
decide.
on
No,
the-
no.
अरे why are you interrupting her यार? Fuck you. You're about to get to the fucking
How it
thing.
will
How
start if
the
it
start.
we
will
would have
start.
used this.
This would have been the intro.
No, guys.
So then halfway through they go. hard cut.
And then they
Okay,
continue.
okay. And then they continue. with that.
फिर intro शुरू हो रहा है उसके बाद.
Nahi, bro. Like I think it's not healthy for the relationship also to just like put it out there publicly.
But what do you think about putting out something so personal? Let's say, okay, I'm going to say this out for the first time somewhere. I did a nose job and I made a vlog on it, but I don't have guts to post it out. Like, I just don't.
You've shot the whole thing. It's ready.
I shot, and it wasn't just a nose job, it was a rhinoplasty because I have very bad sinus. My nose was big and I couldn't breathe. Now I can breathe from both passages.
Oh, dude. That's
yeah.
insane.
That's
Even
sick.
I have a...
So, but I am
want
saying it
bad
out
nose.
loud, but I don't know. I hope not many people watch.
No. Dude, it's,
Nobody
it's
watches
great.
this. Nobody. It's just the 6 of us here.
Yeah. So I'm just asking, what would you say? Something like that should be posted or not?
I
मैं
think it
बोलूँ
should.
यार,
100%.
मैं बोलूँ
Yeah,
यार.
yeah.
Are you happy with what you look like right now?
No, I'm happy with it, but I'm
You're happy
also
now?
like, I'm struggling with the fact that anyway people think I'm an entrepreneur and let's say kind of a content creator, but I'm mainly an actor, right? So I don't want to take that away from
Yeah,
me.
dude, do what makes you happy
Just
and you look
post it.
great, dude. Just put whatever up.
Yeah, I think you should
Post it. Say
Stop
post it
stressing,
and don't
dude.
even look at it after that.
Yeah, because it's
stressing
really
out.
weird when, let's say, actors or anyone who's a public figure does like some intense, like either they get a nose
Matlab it's-
job or they
हाँ.
get fillers or Botox, and they're like don't acknowledge it at all.
Yeah.
They're like,
थोड़ा है taboo उसके बारे में कि like
Yeah.
people don't want to say that.
No,
they've
I
got
don't
it.
mind saying it. All my friends, everyone knows about this. I've done this because I was also not happy with me able to breathe properly, and secondly, it just was bumpy.
Yeah.
Right?
It was bumpy.
Like my relationship. So I decided to get rid of it.
So decided to get rid of both.
Both.
which one are you talking about? That?
And the nose also.
That is for you to figure out. But I don't know. I just don't take the attention away from me being an actor because I'm always an actor first, you know?
Which
Are
one
we
do
still
you,
talking about the nose job?
Me acting is what we are talking
Which one
about.
do you enjoy more, acting or like?
Acting, because I think Nishar, see, it's like I invented it. I invented something new. Now I have a team that's taking care of it. I now only add to it. I'm not. I mean, of course, I'm coming up with ideas, but that's happening once a month, twice a month. We are doing something new, something extraordinary. But other than that, when I'm acting, I'm every day creating something new. Like with this hair, I created it. It took me 1 year to create this piece, this wig, but I think I kind of invented this idea with which has a natural parting. But when I'm acting, I'm creating a character. Every day there's a new feeling. I'm becoming something else,
Right.
which I'm not.
A new person. Like a different
Yeah.
person.
So I enjoy acting more. So I want to be always known as an actor first. And of course, I'll always be enterprising. I think all actors are enterprising.
Yeah.
These are the smart ones. Right. because no, it's, I mean, if you're thinking about it from a business perspective, if you have that kind of distribution, it's kind of dumb to not
Haan,
Utilize
like
it,
monetize
yeah.
it in the best way
monetize
possible.
and just like,
Yeah.
what's up with you?
What happened to you?
He's hiding his face.
Kya ho gaya bhai?
आधे.
No, because like if you're like as an actor or anyone who's like got followers or who's famous, you're a walking billboard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like whatever you do is a statement, whatever you wear is a statement. So like just the ones who are doing it, they're like, I'll do my own brand. Why should I just like rely on?
No, but I started when I wasn't even doing very good in acting. I
Oh,
started
shit.
this
So
6
it all
years
worked out
ago.
then.
So I started this 6 years ago when there was no content creator, influencer market there. So I started because I was like, okay, I'm acting. But then I also want to have my own brand because I'm going to become the biggest superstar. So all superstars have their brand. I need to have an idea. What if I become tomorrow? And then tomorrow my movie was releasing. It was a Punjabi film and I was like, it's going to fail. So let me start my business irrespective. And I did. So for me, I don't know if that works. I don't know if I'm a walking billboard. I think now I'm both. Like people know me for my acting and business both.
Yeah.
It's not just that I'm an actor first. I think probably people know me for hair more.
Yeah.
So I want to change that. Like look at you
You
guys
want
are
to
wearing.
find the balance.
No, but
between
that, I mean, that has a lot to do with like that Shark Tank episode that blew up. Like
Yeah.
we all saw it like 2 days ago and we were like, okay, this was
both. 2 days ago.
Why do you have to mention when
I
it's
saw it
been
last
seen?
night.
Arey, to I'm sure, I'm saying now I've done
See,
research.
I'm someone who's always been obsessed with Shark Tank. Not this one, but
Of course, same. I used to watch that.
Like I just
a
keep
lot.
binging it.
It was fun because like you went there and you were yourself, and also
Yeah.
you were being funny. Also, like they were like they. It seemed like they enjoyed having you there.
They all had a laugh, dude.
Yeah, you were pulling
By
their
the end
leg
of
a
it.
little,
Yeah.
thoda. So
I think it was like a
Was
a
an
perfect
amiable
balance.
You got a
episode
Yeah.
crazy deal, like at the end of it also. So
I would
She
like
got
to
the deal she
believe so.
wanted.
yeah.
Yeah.
You think you could have gotten a better deal?
No, I asked for that and I
Yeah.
got it. So basically, there's a rule. Whatever you ask for, you can't increase that. I mean, I can decrease my percentage, but I can't increase the amount I'm asking for.
do they give you the check right there?
Oh no, that was
No,
a fake
no.
check. That was like a
KBC है क्या?
paper.
वो ऐसा ही show-
KBC भी real check नहीं
KBC
होता.
में भी नहीं देते. Oh man.
क्या
उसमें
वो
ऐसे ही
बड़ा
देते
वाला?
हैं.
अरे
Yeah, that's
even
not
after-
real.
बैंक में लेके जाओ. वो तुम बैंक में लेके जाओ वो check.
I may be wrong, but even after, let's say, if a shark is invested in like a company, like if he chooses to put money in that, whatever the product is, uske baad there's a full-on process
Yeah,
where
yeah,
they like
yeah.
go through everything and try
Due
to figure
diligence.
out-
Basically, you
हाँ.
get to decide again if you want to do it with the shark or not. It's
Yeah, a
the
lot of
same-
people
show के
back
नाम पे तुम
out.
लोग तो
Yeah, a lot of
करोगे
people back out.
How long does it take for the money to hit the bank
It's
account?
still yet to come. It's gonna come now.
It's been a year.
It takes a lot of time. Also, see, I was the sole proprietor. I was the only malkin of the business, right?
Yeah.
So now it's become private limited. Now things, so there are compliances you need to follow for a business. I need to do PF for all my employees. I need to follow all the labor laws. I need to follow all the laws.
That's a
Yeah.
compliance, PF, Provident Fund?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
yeah.
What is PF?
Provident
Provident
Fund
fund.
is
Like if you're my employee, I need to do kind of like an investment. If you are like under the like as per the labor law, it's 13,000, right? It's something like that. So anyone who's below 13,000, I need to also do their mediclaims and stuff. So everything needs to be followed. Then only an investor can put in money, because even if he puts in such a big amount, and if it gets alerted in some space where it's like, how are you giving this person a valuation of 50 crores? It can like
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
be a problem for
we
me.
need to take notes.
Damn, I thought they just like GPay. It's like he's on the phone.
भेज रहा हूँ मैं भेज रहा हूँ
I just had a sip. I was gonna
QR code भेज दो ना.
I'm like,
Scanner है क्या भैया?
अमित सर, ये रहा QR इसी पे. मैं अभी ले रही.
Using the ATM scanner. 1 lakh done.
Wow.
Funny.
How was it preparing for your pitch? Because I know that's a rigorous like procedure, right?
So my only job was to learn my numbers, and that's the only thing I didn't know.
Yeah.
When I went there.
He grilled you on numbers.
I saw it last time
Anyway. Sorry.
She's like,
And I was
sorry,
like,
I don't know that.
Sorry.
And they
So
were
see,
like,
मैंने 3 months का प्रिपेयर किया था, मुझे पता था, मैंने
एक
सारी
quarter का
पिक्चर्स
share
देखी.
prepare करना.
हाँ, मैंने देखा कि सब पिछले 3 महीने के नंबर्स पूछते हैं. मैंने कहा ठीक है, चलो बता देती हूँ पिछले 3 नंबर. फिर अनुपम सर वाज आस्किंग पिछले महीने, उससे पिछले महीने, उससे पिछले महीने, उससे महीने. मैंने कहा इतना नहीं पढ़ा. So then I was like, oh shit, I don't know. So yeah, that's what happened. But prep, coming to the prep, sorry, I also derailed.
That's okay.
Only that first thing that you say, that first 3 minutes thing where they can't interrupt you, 1.5 minutes to 3 minutes. I don't know how much they aired of mine. But that's something you have to prepare. That's something you have to think of what you're going to say. So I prepared. I wrote those lines ki main zulfein chhatkaungi, all of that. And then after that, it's all like whatever they'll ask you. So I only learned 4 things. My net profit, my gross margin, my EBITDA, my basic sales of last 3 months. So मैं ये पूछेंगे, बाकी सब तो मुझे business का inside out पता है. I'm gonna just come as prepared as this podcast.
some heavy lifting you did. Manu.
Oh, but it must have been fun. Like, अरे wow.
She just randomly starts combing his hair.
Yeah, and because he's sitting next to me and he's wearing the full head of hair, like, you know.
Do you like guys with long hair?
I actually do.
Really?
Yeah.
Here's your chance, man.
I love a man bun. That's great.
वो man bun abhi is back, dude. The
is it
sides
now?
and back is
only
completely
mullets,
gone.
only
Yeah.
mullets.
And then
People-
on top that,
Mullets are
mullets are back because of Logan Paul, dude. I fucking hate that.
No, it's not because of him.
It is because of him, bro.
Is it?
काफी
Come
लोग
on.
कर रहे हैं.
I thought it was because of that tiger guy. What was
Kaun
that tiger?
Tiger
That-
Shroff.
Tiger King.
Netflix.
Tiger King.
Tiger King.
Tiger King, but that was in 2020.
No, but
Yeah, I
people
look
started
like
doing
Tiger
it
King
from
right
that time. No, he looks like Tiger King.
He
Right?
also
Yeah, you
looks
do
like-
look
Oh yeah,
like
he
that.
looks
He
more
does.
like
You look
that.
like
Mine
his
are too
babe.
thin.
Just do this.
You look like his babe.
But in Tiger
No,
King,
Tiger
no,
Queen.
No, do this. Do this.
This.
If we put
That
some,
did something.
That did something. It shifted something inside all of us.
if we put some kajal. What?
It shifted one gear.
Amin पे थोड़ा kajal and like black nail paint and give him like a leather jacket. He
What
can
is
join
this?
Green Day, bro.
What? This your fantasy.
That's what
Make
he
it happen,
does.
dude.
When
That
he's-
That was
episode short.
That was
when he's sitting in
specific.
his room, he's like, only if Amin walk like that to my room.
What? No. Walked into my room.
Okay, sorry. Can we cut
Calm
that
down.
part?
Yeah, no. Now it has to
Please.
stay. रखो तुमको
no,
गे जोक
please.
मारना है ना मेरे पे अभी सब
He only started नहीं मम्मा कहते हैं कि तू क्या करता है पूना से आके बॉम्बे में रह के so oh, sorry. So I said,
Anish, tissue.
It's fine. Let it be.
don't give only one.
I love it, bro. This is like
Wait, man.
this is the chaos I live for.
Cone also fell on the other side.
and we are a mess. Is that a bin?
Yeah, it is now.
We have 3 dustbins right under this.
Go for it. Go for it, guys.
यार मेरे मुंह में
एक second.
Do you want me to fix it? Do you want me to fix it?
No, it's fine.
Take this and just do this.
This hair and all is high maintenance. Huh?
Now it's combing it, dude.
Like,
No, just
No,
do.
no.
Just do from on top
Yeah,
of it.
go
So that
straight
just
through
like
it.
yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
you guys have never combed your girlfriend's hair?
No.
No?
What am I? Oh, Dad.
I have a sip.
Dad also never
I
did
have a sip and he ends up saying some shit.
Why is that so like?
I
Who
haven't.
does that, dude?
I haven't.
Wait, which guy has
Yeah, perfect.
brushed
It's
their
away
girl's
from your
hair?
face now, na? Yeah, leave it.
You guys aren't just as loving
I
as I am.
What
I
the
did.
fuck? Fuck off.
I swear.
Anthony Agol cheated on you, bro. Forget about it. Dude, I did it since. That is not normal. That is not normal.
Beautiful.
I'm back.
This is all.
sorry.
See, listen, Parul,
Yeah.
this is usually not.
Sorry.
This is not how we do things.
Composure.
Yeah.
That's not how we.
We usually don't have
This is
so
too
much fun.
Like, yeah.
It's not like a usual Friday morning, right?
Yeah. No, let's keep it going.
When you hang out with people, what kind of like friends do you have? Are they all loud and brash like this, or are they like more polite?
Or are
No,
they
you are
civilized?
not at all brash.
They're not, no?
Not at all
Thank
brash and loud. No. My best friend, she's 24. And she's brash and loud. She's the definition of it. I love her. I love her to death. She is another energy, and then I have another best friend who's a little older than me. His energy is absolutely different. So,
You have a male best friend?
क्यों लड़का लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो
His
सकते?
energy.
That's a,
I mean, it's
That's
it's a thought.
How is that having a male best friend? Is it like what is that like? Because we
You
don't
guys
have
female
like
best friends?
female best friends.
Okay, so we met each other when I was doing like a TV show back in the day when I came to Mumbai. I was very young. I was still in college. So I just met him there. So we've known each other for such a long time that he's also known my family, my brother, everyone. And we've chilled for such a long time. We've seen each other go through some relationships, hiccups in life, and whatever, highs and lows. So just, I think it's because now we've known each other for almost 10, 12 years. So I think it's that familiarity that's like, that's closeness. Like, he's my go-to person if I fuck up or something. I'm like, listen, Dan, I fucked up. So he's there.
This may be a little too intrusive of a question, but have you ever felt like there's been a like? It's हमारे लिए for us to like think about like a girl
Literally,
and
why is
guy
that
like
the
having a.
definition of लड़का और लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. I don't want to say that because I have female friends.
नहीं हो सकते.
No, I'm not saying like a best friend is little odd to me. Like I don't know. अभी तुम
See, I'll tell you. If I was with someone and they had this like guy best friend, and each time we fought, they would go to them saying, "Oh, this
Yeah.
happened." That would like bother me.
नहीं बट वो हमेशा अवेलेबल नहीं होता, वो भी अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ होता है ना कभी कभी. So it's not that he's always available.
he's also sorted in life as well.
He's very set in his life. But for example, okay, for me, the best friend ka definition is that like, okay, it's not, I mean, I don't want to go on a downer. I remember when mom was hospitalized, he was the first person to show up. He was the first person to kind of come and help me. I did have a boyfriend, but he was away. He was shooting something and he wasn't there. But like just one call and he just came and he was there to help me. So I think that's what a best friend is. Like your 3 a.m. bestie. It can be a girl or a guy, but I can count on these two
That person.
people.
Yeah.
These two people, Ada and Dan, I can count on them. They'll be there for me, you know?
Okay.
So for me, that's the definition of a
That's
best
pretty
friend.
good.
See, now if you say that, I can't.
You can't
can't
like
think
add
of
any
anything other
other
than that.
angle.
Yeah.
Like I remember, I just didn't know what to do, and he sent a doctor home because it didn't work. Then I had to take her to a hospital. He was there, and I remember when. So yeah, I mean that's what best friends are for me. Like they're with you through thick
Your
and thin.
support system.
Yeah. I remember last to last year we used to play Shark Tank together. So I would go and when the first season came, I would pitch my business and he was like, no, you won't get this deal and stuff like that. So also like the shittiest things we've done together.
Right.
So
Okay, that's sweet then.
But how did your boyfriend at the time feel about that?
he lived with his ex-girlfriend. So I mean,
What the
I
fuck
don't
is
know
that shit?
what matters.
What is happening?
And you were still dating him
These are some muddy waters
when he was
I think.
staying with his
Muddy
ex-girlfriend.
waters.
Yeah.
My only criteria for an ex guy is he should not live with an ex-girlfriend.
Yeah,
is all I'm going to
That's,
say.
that's the bare
Facts,
minimum.
bro. Facts.
That's
And
the
he was
bare
not even
Can we
meeting
not
that.
discuss on that. We'll only keep the part. I'm
Done,
only
done,
looking for a
done.
guy who doesn't live with his ex-girlfriend.
His madness.
बस उतना ही चाहिए.
ठीक है, but okay, what do you look for then? What else do you look for in a guy other than?
Apart from just
Only
not
one thing.
staying
Shouldn't
with.
be living with a girl. Shouldn't be married. Shouldn't be, yeah,
The bare minimum.
So single
minimum.
is who
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
looking for.
Anyone who's single.
A single male
a
figure.
single male who has his own space and doesn't live with anyone. Like
What about their mom? What if they live with their mom?
I'm not getting there. Like just don't get me
I
there.
feel
I
she's
live with my mom. I'm just saying I do not.
What about
Get
age
another one.
criteria?
Oh yeah, do you have an age criteria? Like, do you feel like you should be dating people your age or people who,
My
or is
age,
there?
I'm okay with my age.
Okay. But you're not against like dating someone who's younger or older than you.
No.
Hmm.
That's never been the case. What's for you? Like, do you have fantasies of being with
Oh,
someone
all of them,
older?
like all
People of
women are
age,
beautiful.
obviously.
People of
People
age,
of age,
is where
yeah.
it starts.
Off age.
Hey,
For
I
you?
think
What is the-
21, 21.
21 is too young, bro.
21 plus.
21 is too
21
young.
plus.
Yeah.
कोई भी.
नहीं कोई भी
मतलब
नहीं, I'm
मतलब
saying
लीगल
that-
होना चाहिए जो भी है.
नहीं लीगल तो 18 भी होता है but
अच्छा 18 भी है क्या?
yeah.
But why do you...
What is this?
But I want to ask you guys, like... Okay, let's just forget that.
नहीं,
There's
नहीं,
no
ask,
point in
ask,
this.
ask.
Come on.
Ask. It's it.
No, it's like a basic thing. That's something I want to understand. What's the thing with... I just do want to understand. I know times are changing. But why women, when they date somebody younger... I've never. But when women date somebody younger... Why that's looked down upon, and when men date somebody younger, that's not.
I mean, there's a couple of reasons. One is just like how things have been from the beginning of time. So it's like it takes some time to like shift from that. Like before, it was always like, and the age gap back then was way more.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
age gap was too high.
Like 40-year-old is marrying someone
इतना
who's
भी नहीं
like,
था, लेकिन
नहीं
था.
था भाई था.
I mean, there are
12, I
special
don't know.
cases.
40 and 12
Back-
also.
yeah, like back then. Now it's become thoda
And
more.
there used to be Bal Vivaha at one
Yeah,
point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that's what I'm talking about. Then now it's slowly shifting. I feel like it has a lot to do with like your status. It has a lot to do with what you're doing in life. If like a 30-something-year-old woman is dating some college kid who's got nothing, it's just weird. Like
Why? What's wrong with that?
I don't know. Like How are those two people getting along?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, yeah. I feel like the
I feel
transaction.
like there is only one
the
need
relationship
that is being
हाँ,
satisfied in
correct,
that relationship.
Correct, correct. The,
I don't know.
But then
straightforward.
same way, like if it's a 40-year-old man is dating a 20-year-old girl,
That's disgusting.
no, it's not. So many
Of course
men
it
are.
is. I'll wait till I'm 40 to decide that.
Why is that disgusting?
It's so weird seeing such an old man with like a young girl.
Have you seen Leonardo DiCaprio? With
Yeah,
his,
Have you
He's
seen
allowed.
Robert De Niro? He got his
Yeah,
wife
he got his
pregnant
wife
now
pregnant.
at
He
this
has like
age.
7
How old is
children.
Robert
Girlfriend,
De
not
Niro?
even. I mean, I don't know.
Robert De Niro is in his
70
70s.
plus.
How is
And this
dick
is his
working
7th or
like that?
8th child, bro.
I'm not going there.
अरे 50-60 के बाद
Arya,
तो बंद
make
हो
a
जाता
list
है
of
ना।
things that we don't want. in this.
we'll send you a cut, I think.
there will be cuts.
I'll never see that. I'll just tell you what I don't want. I mean, I
Uh,
won't see the whole thing. I'll see when it's out.
Out.
Okay.
You know
We'll
what I
see
mean?
it on YouTube. See that.
Absolutely.
I think with the age thing,
What was that look you guys shared?
What?
Like you just did.
Who?
Both of them.
No.
I'm
These
just
guys
checking
are
him out.
like really
Yeah.
playing into their character.
yeah, I'm
He was
looking
just
him up
like,
and down.
Okay, when I said what needs to be, so he just like look at me when I look at you. So.
That's the. Do
Here's
you,
what happened.
It happened.
okay, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Do you know the boy nod?
The what?
The boy nod, like what men, how do they interact with each other?
Yeah. Like,
Just,
but what does that exactly mean?
So
Sorry,
you know-
explain me.
There are like 3 types of nods that a guy has with another guy.
Hmm.
Well, you're acting as if you don't know the boy nod.
I know it. I thought you were telling it, so I'm waiting for you.
he's nodding.
yeah, you're nodding.
You can't take him seriously with his hair.
So when like 2 men,
ऐसा हिल रहा है वो बार-बार।
so when 2 guys don't know each other, you nod downwards when you see the person.
But right now, then second one.
That's your that's a respect
First one.
nod. It's like
Okay.
I acknowledge you.
इज्जत दे रहा हूँ।
Second nod is the guy who you know very well. You go like this. That's like a friendly nod, like what's up.
Yeah. And if you do that with a guy you don't know, that's disrespectful.
Yeah, that's
And the
disrespectful.
third one is you understood what I said.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
How
that's
is
the
it?
third nod.
I
समझा
hope,
क्या?
no, I implied that.
Yeah.
That I hope you understood what I said.
No, we
No, but pretty
communicate
good.
without speaking. Like at
Yeah.
this point, the
Yeah.
4 of us, like
We
we
don't
do
need-
it
we
quite
don't
a
need to
lot
talk.
actually.
Yeah,
Even
yeah.
during the podcast, it
Yeah.
just goes unnoticed. Like I look at him and he knows what to say. It's like
You guys know each other from college,
Yeah.
school, since when? How
right
long?
after school.
Right after school. So about
like-
10, 12 years maybe now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where did you study?
We all
all
studied
studied in Pune
different.
only.
Where? In
All of us were in different schools in
So how did you
Pune.
guys meet?
Me and Am were in the same
No, but we met
grade
while playing
yeah,
football.
Like same
Yeah.
batch.
Yeah,
We
both
all
of
used to
us
play
met
football.
while playing football.
And you?
We also through football.
All of us
No,
met
actually,
football.
Yugu had a crush on one of my schoolmates.
Yes.
That's
yes,
how I
did.
met him.
Yes,
for
I
the
did.
Wow.
first
Sorry.
What's new about that?
Oh, I love your ring though. I got
Thank you.
distracted with that. The other one.
This one?
This is the Thanos ring, dude.
This is my uncle's ring, who he passed away some years back.
That's
a
a
beautiful ring
badass
as well.
ring, bro.
Kashmir. He got from there.
That's a crazy. Sure.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Beautiful. Do you wear this like always?
Yeah, I do.
It's kind of intense, bro. That ring. It's like
That's a little too much.
he was a knight or something.
No, it's just I don't know what significance it holds. Like there are
What
theories
stone
that
is that?
Woi. The pendant means it's meant to help you in certain ways, right? Like turquoise is supposed to like calm you down or things like that. I don't know what
Yeah, I
that is.
mean some ring theories are
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean the gem.
उसके
Stone
वजह से I just
studies.
found them at home and I thought
Krishna
they
is
look
actually heavily accessorized right now.
Yeah.
Even the
Yeah.
He's
jewelry.
fully dripped
cool.
down.
Only
bro.
the rings I have.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then
You
all
have
the
yeah.
rings
hats,
also.
you have
Rings.
glasses, you have earrings,
You have long
rings,
hair
you have
now.
hair.
I have hair.
I mean,
I've never been able to get into that. Like I
Accessorize.
keep seeing these reels, get ready with me, and they
Wearing
wear
rings.
rings and they have like.
try this. Let's see how it looks on you.
Rings will look cool, bro.
Which
No, no,
That's a
the
badass ring.
Thinnest.
That's a badass ring.
Yeah, you can get into a
Where-
fight.
Yeah.
No, you can't.
What about you? Do these ornaments signify something to you, or do you just like the decorative aspect of it? Like वो कैसा लग रहा है आपको आप पे?
Yeah, it depends what I feel like. This is like my next launch of my Evil Eye jewel. So these are the ones I was experimenting
You
on.
do jewelry for men as well?
I do have like neck chains, but then they're unisex. So like
Okay.
there's a herringbone chain which is a unisex thing.
The pussiest flick.
This is how you do it.
I don't
What
want
is
to
that
make
called? Air hockey, right?
Yeah.
Air hockey is too fun.
fun. Arcade, bro. Arcade is honestly, I think,
One of the most
best
underrated
best
Which-
first
which
date.
one?
Just any
Big
arcade,
one, like a
air
big
hockey.
Yeah, Game Palacio is the place I
Yeah.
would like to take
Shout
my
out. Your next
yeah
potential.
Customer.
customer.
Oh wait.
No.
I was zoned into another call. You were having another
Oh,
call.
where's my coffee? Can I get my coffee, please?
Anisha's gone
Coffee's
to
on its
get-
way.
Anisha's
Oh,
making more coffee.
Yeah.
That is he making. That is he.
That's the thing.
What do you do for fun, Parul? What is like?
Give me a sip of that coffee.
Do you have any like go-to hobbies?
I like watching movies, yeah. I like watching movies that make me inspire me and make me want to do stuff like that. Like that's my or go watch a play or some performing arts. Basically performing arts is what excites me.
Okay. Stand-up. You like stand-up?
Yes.
Okay.
You guys do that?
I used to.
Okay.
I used to do it in Pune. Then we moved here. I've stopped, but I might get back at some point.
You all should get back.
I would love to invite me, please. Or send me the link. I'll come.
Watch.
Yeah. I love performing arts. I think I think there needs to be, you all are artists, right? When you do something, you create something, you want someone to watch it. And I think that's where it should be supported. I'm all for, I'll go to another country if I know it's my favorite artist that's performing. So I'll
Who's
do
your
that.
favorite artist?
No, I'm like, if I know my
No,
favorite
No, but
artist.
who is your favorite artist?
Let's say Meryl Streep, if she decides to do a play.
Whoa.
If I have to go across the globe to watch her live, I'll give my left kidney to go and watch that, you know?
Yeah.
So
yeah, she's
that's one.
She's
What
Or
about your-
Aaron Sorkin's play, because he used to write back in the day. Now I think his plays are just continuing. But like if I know that his something is being renewed or like there's something new to it or
right.
in between, so many actors, they started doing Broadway. So I would love to watch some of the things.
Have you
and
done theater yourself?
I've done it, yeah, for a little while.
What is that like?
It's fun, yeah. When you go on stage, you know the thrill of having live audience
Yeah.
there, and first you feel scared, then a couple of times you do it, and then it's just fun. It sounds like something else though, but yeah.
No, that live feedback. I mean, when you're on stage.
Boo!
The live feedback is where it's
There's
at.
no way we can seriously talk about this now.
No,
And the best part is she ruined it herself.
Yeah.
I just the moment I said it out loud and I heard myself,
Yeah.
I was like, oopsie.
No, but like there is some kya?
Well,
Huh.
oh, he noticed
Where-
now.
where literally
scared.
The
Pasha.
conversation is going on.
Yeah, I thought it's not recording or something.
It's not recording, na?
It is.
It is.
Acha.
Huh.
I ruined theatre experience.
You
No,
ruined the
but
experience.
there is something in that, like, just because we do this, we post it, then we see comments later. Like the episode will go out after 2 weeks or 1 week, and then you're kind of detached from the episode by the time it goes out. But when you're on stage, like we did this live once, like recently,
Oh.
we did like a live podcast with like 50, 60 people. And
50, 60 people like were watching.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
like they were right in front of
like
us.
we did it in a comedy club.
Uh-huh.
We were on stage just talking to each other, and obviously there was audience interaction also. But like now you say something funny, you guys are laughing, but like if 60 people are laughing at once, like that thrill is
Yeah.
something
fun.
else.
It's a different
it's
high.
unmatched. I don't think anything can replace.
But that,
like a
yeah,
live-
that's the case with any sort of performing arts.
Yeah,
When you
yeah.
feel that adulation
Yeah, of
from
course.
people.
You need to
Yeah.
have that. Like when you see the person in front,
adrenaline.
you can tell whether they're enjoying it or
Anything,
not.
like concerts also, when you go.
Why are you laughing? Boo.
Hugo scared for his life, dude. Thinks one hand is creeping from under the table.
If people are listening to this on audio,
They
Krishna
have-
just fixed.
Yeah, he just
Suvi's
fixed
hair.
my hair.
Oh, imagine like the people who are listening to the audio, they have
They're
no idea. Like
missing
They
out.
have no context.
So where does this go? The only audio thing?
everywhere.
Only audio nahi. only audio on Spotify, but there's video as well.
Spotify
I mean, you
पे video भी है.
हाँ.
But yeah, when people are driving, they
Yeah.
want to just listen to you.
You're in the gym. If you're
If you're listening to this in the gym, bro, you have some issues.
like this is
But I want to ask you guys. See, I know podcast is a new concept. Probably this is my proper first podcast. But
Let's go.
have you guys had any favorite podcast or something that you've watched and something that, or any moment in podcast that is your favorite?
there are many.
हाँ, but I don't think we yeah, तू बोल पहले.
There are we have our favorites. Like right now, it's become a little hard to listen to podcasts because like
Who has time?
Time नहीं है.
Time तो
नहीं
बहुत है,
और-
I'm kidding.
or like if I watch podcasts which are like similar, like the genre is the same. If it's Bakchodi, then I feel myself even subconsciously or like without any intention replicating them a little. So like I've stopped watching because I don't want to say a joke that is even close to someone else's joke because I don't know, it feels thoda weird. But like I listen to a lot of podcasts just to get information like health or history because that's the best medium.
So before you started, did you have any favorite podcasts? Like, just I want to
Yeah.
learn about like what are the cool podcasts because I only know yours.
Oh.
Okay. She's
That's all
saying
you need to
the
know.
right things. No, Joe
I
Rogan
know
is
how to
always
sell.
Joe Rogan is always there. He's like the OG, and like his podcast has the most range. Like he'll have all kinds of people on, and that's been around for like years. I think that's the first thing.
One of the first
Yeah,
ever
that's-
podcasts that really blew up and a lot of people started listening to it.
Yeah.
मेरे को out of like the American, I like this comedian. His name is Theo Vaughn.
Okay.
His podcasts are so he does like a mix of either like these monologues where he just talks about random things.
He does a lot of episodes just solo.
Just
where
solo.
Only he's talking.
Yeah, and he's extremely like funny and weird and peculiar. So then you're like, "Arey, kya bol raha hai?" And whenever he gets a guest on, his guests are also random. One guest was Santa from the mall. ऐसा एक Santa जो जिसका काम था उसको लेके आया वो podcast पे. एक स्ट्रिपर औरत को लेके आया वो.
Yeah. Like
His job is being Santa. and all.
like he's gotten people like
His nephews, dude. Some kids.
Yeah, his nephews he's
8, 9
got.
year olds. He's got.
Wow.
Nephew से वो life के बारे में बात कर रहा है.
but then he's also gotten like Jordan Peterson and like
Yeah.
really big
Yeah.
people. So it's like the range is crazy. And he's a character. Like he doesn't feel real. Like he's like there is no one like him.
Yeah.
Which is fun. India mein also now there are a lot of cool podcasts popping up. Like I think the only Indian podcast that I watch right now is this podcast called This Is Not a Podcast.
Which is by if you
Sharan
don't know.
Nair.
Sharan Nair.
Sharan Nair has a podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called This Is Not
It's
a
fun.
Podcast.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
Like it's one of those that you can watch and it's like
Mm.
you know you're like
Mm.
okay it's not fake it's
Mm.
it's real. Then I like we've made a lot of fun of Ranveer, but I watched some episodes like because like if you get Sonu Nigam on a podcast, like I'm
Yeah.
going to watch it to see like
You
what
I
Yuvraj
mean, he
Singh,
got some really
yeah.
cool people. Like when Priyanka Chopra was there, like he's had
Yeah.
some really cool people.
yeah. So that I watch some episodes of that. Other than that, I don't know.
Yeah, other than that,
I
that's
watch Untriggered a
nothing.
lot.
yeah.
I end up watching only podcast memes. There was one podcast meme, oh god, I loved it. So there was this girl, she's like, you know what, babe? I just found out that you put in your year and your age and it matches. Like the year you were born and
That's
the
equal,
age.
That's equal to this year.
Yeah, it's equal to this year is your age. And then she's like, but you know what? I couldn't find out yours. I could not. So she's like, because babe, that's how it works. And my month hasn't come for my birthday. So I end up watching these kind of
This is what your
memes.
this is what your real feed is like.
Oh no, my real feed is like Ganji Chudel and
Oh, wow. How is every guest
Ganji
coming and
Chudel
saying
gets
Ganji
too many
Chudel?
shout-outs on the
I
podcast.
swear, bro.
favorite.
Ganji Chudel deserves.
My friend Sakshi, she was a Ganji Chudel this Halloween.
Share the
Sani.
Sani.
Yeah. And I wanted to be, and my best friend Ada, she did
Yeah.
the makeup. So she's a makeup artist. I told you my 24-year-old
Yeah.
best friend. So she did the makeup for Ganji Chudail, and I was like, oh shit, next year the Ganji Chudail won't be
Relevant.
relevant.
Yeah. Next year it won't make sense. You're just walking
We
around
all
all
know
green
that.
for no reason.
They think you're the Hulk or something.
Bald ass Hulk.
Extract, yeah. Who did you go as for Halloween?
I didn't go yaar after breakup. I've been a little sad. And
Oh,
like,
अभी recently हुआ है क्या?
Damn, you should. This is the season to go
This
out.
is-
I mean,
Yeah,
इसके
yeah,
बाद
yeah.
तो there is only
yeah.
good things.
What
happening,
are
right?
you like after? There's like two types of people. Okay, after a breakup, some people they're like, bro, I don't want to date only for the rest of my life.
Come on.
The rest of your life. I'm
No,
interested
that's not
here.
true. That's not true.
I'm not
I'm joking,
interested
I'm
in what I have to say.
I'm interested.
Are you crazy?
You don't make me bring that up again. Dude.
Something bit you here, by the way.
What? I don't know.
Was it
Yeah.
a love bug? There's a relationship incoming in your life.
Oh, really?
You should say it because you look like a tarot card reader right
What?
now.
Yeah, so
Give him
There's
a-
no relationship coming in.
tell me, dude, tell me.
anytime soon. Yeah, and the second type is like,
कुछ
Cover the
आता है,
brand,
yeah,
cover the
कुछ
brand.
आता है.
Huh? I did. I'm smart.
ठीक है, I mean,
I
nothing
do it
can,
like
nothing
this.
can help.
oh, like,
Is that good
That's
branding?
smarter.
That's even smart.
she's smart, bro.
Keep it.
Yeah, so I was saying कि the second type is like they want to date the next day. Like, हो गया,
They
like,
try
I
to
need
like recover.
yeah.
I don't want to.
And some
talk about
people
that.
already have started dating the next person like a few
I mean,
months before
the
the
seed has
breakup.
been planted and the games are already being played. वैसा वाला thing.
Scene games are already being
Yeah.
played.
That happens. That
The
happens.
games have started.
अरे यार, just stop.
But don't all girls like have a list of like a waiting list?
Guys, you are meeting different kind of girls.
We
You
are
are a
meeting the
different
worst
age
girls.
group, and you're dating girls 5 years younger than you,
Facts,
which are
bro.
probably 8, 9 years younger than me. So I can't relate with that. So no. I mean, it was a. I don't know which type I am. I'm figuring it out. It's been few months.
Few months since the breakup.
Yeah,
Okay.
2-3 months now. Yeah.
And you're fine.
That I'm still figuring out. Every evening there's a new story. Okay, that's our code word. Magenta means I need to shut up. Guys, you can't keep
Oh,
that.
you guys have got a.
We've never
You
had.
come prepared with all the safe word and
You all
shit.
should have a safe word for me.
Guys, please, we can't keep anything because what if he watches? I don't want to hurt him.
He's a public figure, huh?
He's hurt me. I don't want to hurt him.
See, you need to.
Please edit everything out about my
Put it all out. Gold magenta.
board.
Can the whole episode.
You can't. You can't
Now
be,
everyone knows our code word. Shit.
you can't
We
be
need to
saying all
change it.
these fun things and then we're like,
And then be like, cut it off.
yeah.
No, magenta you can keep, but don't keep before magenta.
Hey, Krishna, don't wear. It's actually suiting.
Now
Now you look like Dhoni, bro.
like
You look like a young Mahendra Singh
like
Dhoni.
Dhoni.
Like Dhoni. Fucking
Keep your
Dhoni,
hair
bro.
back. Listen, keep
Bro,
your
give
hair
it-
back
looks like
and
he's-
hold the gun. Maybe you can look like Bazigar
Can you please
also.
give him his cap?
Big teacher chali gayi. Your wig went back.
Who needs a cap, bro?
Hugo looks like he's been through something and someone shaved half his head off.
Look up once.
Dhoni.
Oh, parting has changed to side, looking sexy.
Thank you, baby. That was a joke.
Bro, I think I'm gonna retire the.
Parul, we're very sorry for this.
What?
Yeah,
We're sorry for
I didn't mean to be
I'm
rude.
sorry.
Sorry for what?
I don't know.
his behavior.
Oh, that's absolutely
I'm retiring
okay.
my hair.
Joking, huh?
Please give it to me.
I think this
you
hair
want
has,
help?
No, I
you know,
got it.
brought some crazy energy. In us.
Yeah,
We've
I
all
feel
gone
like-
mad.
सब जंगली हो गए हैं भाई.
You want
I
to
think
wear
you
this
put
now?
the rest.
You
Yeah,
want to change
put
your
the rest. Put the rest
Just
of
give
his hair
everything
on
to you.
me.
Babe, right now.
Let's just put everything on Hugo.
Give.
Now let him wear the cap.
You could
No, don't wear the
moving up
cap.
in life.
Look here. Look here. Look here.
Arey,
look
give
at
it to
me.
him now. Let him.
she's saying she
Arey, stop looking like Dhoni, yaar.
I don't look like Dhoni, dude.
Give some wicket keeping gloves.
Instant Dhoni like that.
तेरा क्या है भाई? Please.
Again, you fucked up her hair.
Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah.
This is better.
Who else uses this place? It says no food, things to be kept in
Everyone
place
still
after
eats.
use, shut PC lights before leaving. ये लिखा किसने है?
Give me the.
मैंने
phone,
मैंने
huh?
लिखा.
Here you go.
But I don't think I think it's being respected now.
We have some rules around the house, like
अभी respect
You
शुरू हो
look
गया.
like
bro.
another person now.
yeah, better or worse. I feel like
Better, bhai.
It's
Yeah.
time for a
You're saying
character
my head and
change.
make him look better. What the fuck did you do? Just put it back a little.
My hairline
look like
starts
those-
like on my eyebrows.
You look like those
Adjustable
uncles who wear those
hairline.
fuck all wigs, no?
Adjustable hairline.
Please don't make my product look bad.
Sorry,
Your
sorry,
product?
sorry. Your product.
Your product is too
Beautiful.
good, bro.
Send me a
But-
screenshot of the graph after this episode goes out. I just want to see.
Sales.
Minus.
Suddenly plummets.
Minus.
नहीं नहीं. You know what? Guys will start buying.
Yeah, yeah.
Because this looks.
I would love to because I don't
After
have
this,
any
we are
wigs.
blocking all of them. Okay.
No contact.
after it plummets, after minus, I hope it doesn't go.
Suddenly when the graph goes red, then they know what's
Every-
happening.
Then be like, we don't know these people.
We were
my
forced to do
lawyer will
this.
talk to you.
Every good, solid company has one marketing stunt that goes very bad. I think this is yours. This is your moment. Like, where you have to put out a statement after this, I think.
God.
Yeah.
Get it prepared.
Public apology for.
PR ready. Reason why people bring their PR here.
Now you know.
No,
No, the PR person during every episode, they're like having a breakdown in the corner.
हर बार भाई.
Yeah, like, we've seen that. We've seen
They,
them,
in
like,
their head, they're going magenta, magenta, magenta. The whole episode
Oh,
3.
my word is now.
Reveal
public.
कर दिया भाई तुमने.
It's our office word also. Now I need to change.
Now you'll have to
what-
change it.
Why
My
was
customers-
magenta chosen as the
Magenta
word?
is close to red. I'm assuming.
What the no. Magenta is.
No, we had to come up with a word. And it had happened that I end up sharing, I oversharing, and then also if I get irritated when I'm at workplace, so there are few people I want them to know that I'm getting slightly irked. So I kind of say magenta and then they take care of the situation. So it's like our office code word, which is public.
Is it fulfilling for you to see customers and people like your product and want to wear it all the
It
time?
is. So when they are not, then I'm like, yeah, they're not understanding what I'm trying to say. But it's amazing to see when a woman walks in who has no hair and can get a head full of hair.
Ganji
like how-
Chudel.
Don't
I-
say
I-
that.
I-
to
I
me.
mean, bro, shut the fuck up. Even I had the thought.
Dude, if you're
Think about it.
bleeping my stuff, you bleep that
I'm
also.
kidding, I'm
That was
kidding,
pretty
I'm
ruthless.
kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. ठीक है भाई, you said it's amazing to see a woman
My
walk in with
sales
no
are
hair.
going in minus after this.
No, they're not. They're not. मैं खुद 10 product लेने वाला हूँ.
Oh,
You know how
I'll
much?
send
You know how much that wig cost that's on your hair
How
right
much?
10,000.
मैं एक product लेने वाला हूँ.
That's for 26,000.
Oh my God, sorry.
मैं नहीं ले रहा हूँ कुछ. I have hair and I like it.
You have 26K on your
You
head.
have 2.6 or what? Lakhs.
What? No, I don't want to.
Anyway.
Whatever. Yeah. Let's
Back
move
to
on.
it being fulfilling.
Yeah.
No, it definitely is. It's seeing people who have no hair and I can give them hair or give them solution like covering their grey roots or hair thinning. It's just because earlier there wasn't a solution like that existed. Like, see, if you want to cover your under eye, you're going out, you want little makeup, you take out your concealer and put it.
Yeah.
Oh, what about hair? But the best part is this hair, they are expensive because they can last you for 10, 20 years if you take good care of it. I'm wearing so many of those. And this particular piece it's 1 year old. I made this as I said, it's the first piece I made. I was trying to create something. So yeah, it's makeup. It's makeup for hair, as for me. So yeah.
Wait. So when you're making these, is it like each one is customized, or like do you have like 30 of these, 40 of
हाँ,
these?
like
Like how?
styles. एक SKU रहेगा and then there'll be like
Several.
variations.
It's like foundation, right?
Hmm.
You need a concealer. Concealer में सब colors होंगे. फिर आपको मेकअप फाउंडेशन चाहिए, उसमें सेवरल कलर्स होंगे. वैसे ही जैसे I could call this as a concealer. This
Yo.
concealed my thinning. Right?
You were wearing this the whole time.
So this is concealing.
like a magic
But then
I
if I
swear.
say foundation, this is foundation. This is covering it all. And if I say, let's say, compact meets foundation, that's the wig. That's
You know
also
you're
covering
just
all of it.
speaking words that we don't understand.
नहीं नहीं.
Yeah, nahin,
So
I
you know what
Okay,
foundation
let's say,
is?
okay, you are wearing a banyan.
Okay.
A banyan.
That's what you're wearing. Like a ganji. But if you want a shirt, probably this is what
Okay.
you,
Ha,
you
see,
mean.
that's a better way
and
to-
jacket, then that's the
this.
jacket because it'll conceal all of it and it'll protect you.
Such a good way to put it.
See, this is the best way to put across.
Okay, sorry. I should have started like that,
Yeah.
realizing your IQ.
You should have said,
Oh, shut the fuck up.
He's got roasted
You got
on today's episode. इसको भी काट दे.
you're in good company, bro. It's you and Piyush.
But I love you. You're my favorite here. Trust me.
What is that? This is like
It's that
That's
Korean
the Korean.
thing.
It's the
Korean
Korean.
heart.
Oh,
shit,
you like?
bro.
Do you like K-pop?
No, I don't.
No,
but I
they all
like
just do
doing-
this, bro. Now,
But you
gets
like
you
it.
views. You do this. It gets
No,
you
but
views.
that's like cute. Like, you know, you want to make up to somebody after saying that their IQ is low. You do this, they
Yeah.
feel cute.
They feel
And they feel better.
Yeah. Do you feel?
Stewie feels great.
Very nice.
Hey, it's working.
I don't get that whole K-pop.
What?
Crazy.
The
but
fantasy,
last
the
night
whole
I was listening to
fascination.
some Blackpink music
Ah.
and this is Shut It Down and Pink Venom. Oh my god. And then I was like, okay, let me read the lyrics also. So Korean part you can't, but there's
Yeah.
English part
Yeah.
also to it. They're empowering as F. Like, oh my god. These women, they're like, when I bring my Lamborghini, it goes vroom vroom.
Yeah.
So you shut it down. So
Yeah.
it's just like, whoa.
These are the lyrics.
Yeah.
I
It's
mean, Black.
empowering. If I can, and then Pink Venom is like, look what you made us do. Now we're bringing out the Pink Venom. Something like that.
No, see, Blackpink gets to say that because they're like huge,
Thoda,
and I'm sure they all own Lamborghinis. Like they're making a lot of.
Basically,
They're
she's
making
like,
bank,
they're
bro.
trying to say that only when a dude brings out something, you think that whatever. But when I bring my Lamborghini, it goes vroom vroom. So I'm gonna shut down the. Okay, it sounds
Now
awful.
you thought about
now,
it.
Now Blackpink, I know they'll never watch this, but if they ever, the fans are watching. We don't mean to offend anybody.
No,
I
I'm so
love
empowered
Blackpink.
right now.
Yeah.
What about
Right.
Vroom.
Vroom vroom, shut
what
it
about
down.
BTS?
No, they're all like. There's a lot of them that are big right now. It's. Do you know how those bands are made?
They're all factory made.
Oh yeah, I read a little about it.
Yeah,
that how they have no personal life for first few years. They have to follow certain rules. They have
Yeah.
to eat a certain kind of food, wear certain kind of clothes, hairstyles, do everything.
There's like they're built in like these camps where there's like 1,000 of these boys, and then they find 15 of them. They put them together like
Oh, Indian Idol.
pretty much. Pretty
Like
much.
a internal Indian idol.
Just here, it's difficult to recognize who's who.
I mean, they have figured out how to do it efficiently and keep getting successful. But it's been happening everywhere. Like even One Direction, they're not.
They're industry
That
plants.
isn't a fair comparison,
Why?
bro. Because there they all joined a show as individual
But
participants.
what makes you think that they weren't all brought on the show to put them together?
वो इतना बड़ा
No, no, no,
marketing
that
scheme
is-
कौन रखता
करते
है?
हैं ना,
जमाने में
bro.
लोग कहाँ
ये
इतना सोचते
That
नहीं
was
सोचते
no,
थे
no.
लोग.
They weren't. They're industry plants for sure, but
They've been doing it for so long. Britney Spears, like all these people, they're all have been.
Britney Spears, all these people, ठीक है. That I understand. Like even Justin Timberlake getting pushed a lot more than the other NSYNC people. So,
नहीं,
I'm
but
straight.
होता है. नहीं, ये काफी
flip your
होता
hair
है.
and say that again.
A lot of times it's natural also. Like anyone who becomes successful, na, they're like, oh, industry plant.
Yeah, ये
Like,
गलत बात है भाई. सब नहीं है.
I've seen some comments under our stuff also.
What?
Which is
Industry
like,
plant?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Each
So
time
they
we
know
get
how
नहीं,
the
दस
industry
लोग-
works.
no, each time
Yeah, what?
each time we get like a big guest, they're like, oh, these guys are industry plants. How do they have access?
Is it? But do you guys get paid? Like if you're promoting someone's movie and stuff, just asking for
No.
a friend.
No. It happens in podcasting. I don't know if if it happens for movies, but let's say like, oh, you're a founder. There are founders who will come and say, "Ki, we want to come on the podcast and talk about our business and whatever," and we are willing to like offer commercials. It happens.
And you take that.
We don't.
So,
we
you
haven't.
haven't
We
taken
haven't done it yet. I don't think.
So
I
the
don't
way
know.
we get
Don't
paid.
go that.
Is we
way.
don't.
It's
No,
you.
no, no. So how we get
From
paid
YouTube.
is we we get a founder on, we'll wear the products through the episode, and then we send an invoice.
Yeah, without them
Without
having any
them knowing
information, they
anything.
just like see it in the morning.
And then the
Like
next
where
morning they
this is
wake up and there's an
directed.
invoice lying on their table. Then they're like, magenta.
I'm telling you, I know where this is directed. I could tell from the beginning. I'm looking at Arya over there.
No, I think if like I get it, but I think it would make the conversation a little bit unnatural. Like right now we're hanging out. Like at this point, it's like I don't feel like we're doing a podcast. But if I know there is money exchanged, it would make it a little different than what it.
But would
naturally-
you work with people? So okay, I get it. It's like the people you want to work with, you're working with them. And
Pretty
I know
much.
you're not considering this work. But let's say if people reach out to you, let's say some other content creator, actor says, listen, I love you guys. I would love to be there. Would you take them? Or is it just that you guys pick the people you want?
No,
Yes,
if
I'm-
so,
No.
if they come to us and then we're like, oh, I'm interested in talking to this person, then yeah, why not? Like, there's a lot of inbound. There's a lot of
It is a
us
two-way
reaching
street.
out.
Yeah. And do
Yeah.
you do a lot of research on the people you end up bringing?
Yeah.
No,
A lot.
we watched Girls Hostel last night.
Last
that's-
night?
Yeah.
That's like the extent of our research.
That's the.
मैंने
We
पहले
saw 4
देखा था.
episodes back to back.
yeah.
Which season?
Season 1,
Seen not
episode
everything, but I saw it
1 to
before
4.
But I don't watch much of anything, to be
Yeah, same.
honest. That's why.
But whose favorite is Bazigar?
Bazigar.
It was just.
Bazigar is
चोर
just-
बाजार से आपने
it's a-
पोस्टर ली ये मैंने सुन लिया
It's
था
a
हाँ.
classic. That's
it.
चोर
about it,
बाजार में
yeah.
बस पोस्टर देखा where's this चोर बाजार by the way Tell
It's
me
in
more
South
about-
Bombay. Now I don't know exactly where it was. It was somewhere in South where I went and then
You
they had
bought this.
yeah.
Yeah.
They had like really good posters.
Yeah, the place was a little empty, so we sent him out. We were like, bro, get anything except plants. Like, don't get
Yeah,
plants.
plants we couldn't. None of us can take care
So
of them.
He got. There were a lot of other posters. The guy told
What
us.
options
Tell
did
me,
we
can
have?
I gift you
gave me-
something that can be on that wall that's empty?
Sure.
Oh,
What,
100%.
Sure. What do you think will go well over here?
Nishhair.
Nishhair billboard.
Evil Eye mirror. I made once.
Done.
If you want.
You
if
made
that,
a mirror?
I in lockdown I went little cuckoo. I was just sitting and I got COVID also. So 20 days and that was like the first wave 2020 August. So the patches and nobody in the building didn't let me get out of my house. So I was just coming up with ideas. So I made Evil Eye shoes, Evil Eye mirror, Evil Eye rug, Evil Eye cushions, Evil Eye jewelry, and put everything under Evil Eye jewel. But I also have a very pretty Evil Eye mirror. I'll send you guys him a photo. Sorry. If you don't like that, but I would love to gift you something that can stay on the wall.
Done.
Anything
Yes.
it can
How
be.
sweet of you.
That's
It's
nice.
like it's a wish that you can make. So it can be anything. Don't be like Rahul Dua when he was asked by a Devi and he said Nacho ke liye salsa le aao. You remember that? On Comic Stan. I was watching it very recently. So there's this Devi comes to Rahul Dua and she's
Rahul Dua
asking-
season 2, right?
he was the
Season
winner
two में था
of one season.
नहीं, he didn't win.
He was the winner of some season.
Rahul Dua कब जीता? नहीं, he didn't.
Rahul Dua was season 1.
This guy won.
No.
The guy who competed with Samay, he won season 2.
Akash
Akash
Gupta.
That
He
was
won
season 1.
That was season 1, sorry. Yeah.
So season 2
Rahul
season
won something, I think.
That was season 2.
Google.
Who was season 1 then?
Nishant something. Nishant Suri.
Nishant Suri was on the same
Rahul, I
season
thought-
as Samay.
No, he wasn't.
But anyway, you
Okay,
guys
bro.
have
Okay,
a
anyway,
wish.
yes, we
Ask
have
me
a
anything,
wish.
I'll bring it for this wall.
The evil
Yeah,
mirror will work.
Evil eye.
Evil eye.
Evil eye mirror.
Evil
Evil mirror nahi bhai.
Snow
That
White.
song that she did to her
He's
comics.
sitting here, the mirror is just laughing at us.
Whoever looks into it has a bad day.
वो mirror ऐसा हंस रहा है तुझ पे ऐसा करके fucking
I don't even know if it's a part of your setup.
They can
but
go behind now over there somewhere.
Yeah, we'll put it somewhere.
We'll figure it out.
You do a lot of things like from
Yeah,
what
yeah,
like
just-
like
Non-stop.
Do you have any time to yourself?
I do, of course.
Because you're always working. Like now that you say this line of products, then your hair products, then
The
Acting.
acting also is
acting,
there.
content creation. There's
You
just so
want
much that you're
Managing
doing all the
business in
time.
itself is a whole task.
I think we all have equal hours in a day. It's how you utilize it. I think that's my superpower.
She was gonna hit us with the
No, but I think it's my superpower that I can do multiple things in a day. I think that's my only superpower. I don't know how well I do it, if I achieve my goals, but I can do like more than few things in a day, which a normal person would be. And I think that's my superpower.
Have you always been like this?
I think I'm ADD, so it kind of defines that my attention goes from one place to another very quickly. So I want to be able to do everything, and then I also want to do everything like at its best. Is now he's being PR? He's telling us
No,
to
no,
shut
no.
up?
He's telling me to move myself more to the right.
Hmm.
हाँ बोलिए.
No, nothing. That's what I
it
was
was her
saying.
ADD that kicked in. That's why she turned around.
But ADD always has there's a negative connotation to it ना कि ये if you have like an attention disorder or whatever, like इससे तो कुछ होएगा ही नहीं काम. But then
Look at me.
No, but it does take a lot. I mean, if you're in this, if you call it an industry, if you're in this field or industry, it's like one thing doesn't cut it. Like you can't just be one thing. Like with acting also, now there are so many roles. There's OTT. There's like 10 shows being pumped out each day.
Yeah.
So like actors also have increased. Before, like there were 10 actors that you were like, oh, these, and they all play the same roles pretty much. Now it's just like there's so much to do. So like if you're doing acting, you have every actor is an influencer also on the side. Like everyone's doing brand deals.
सबका merch है.
If
they have
sabka
different
merch
stuff.
nahi hai, but people
But,
are running
yeah.
businesses, so I think you have to kind of be doing a lot to just like
Set up. For,
Yeah. yeah, मतलब एक चीज से तो
Yeah, absolutely. Like for me, it was more like I want to be able to do several things. As an actor, I think it's all about gaining experiences, being in the moment, listening, learning. So I was like, oh, I really like this another thing too. And it makes me money as well.
yeah.
Right? And then I was like, oh, creating content for social media also works very well for me. And I love Instagram.
Yeah.
It's not that I'm just doing it for money. I love Instagram. You open my stories, every day I'm posting stories. Even if I have nothing to talk about,
Yeah.
I'll make something to talk about.
Yeah.
So I think that's something I enjoyed, but I know what you mean is as actors, we have a lot of time, and especially now because there's no dearth of projects. There's just so many projects happening, and everyone is working. And there's so many verticals now.
Yeah.
Earlier there was no podcast,
Yeah.
right? There were no. There were what? There were few mediums only in media or in if you wanted to be seen, you could be RJ, news reporter, actor, or that sports person, like what's that person who
Harsha
Yeah.
Bhogle.
Huh?
Like Harsha
Not
Bhogle.
commentator, but even on the ground from the
Yeah,
field
yeah.
reporter,
Yeah, yeah.
right? So these are the places where you could be seen and do these things. Now there are so many avenues, and I think this generation is the most enterprising. Imagine your father or your mother doing something like this back in the day.
I can't.
we wouldn't have been here then.
Yeah, so our parents did some work, so they gave us so much freedom and motivation that we could be here doing something like this. I think everyone's so enterprising and doing something
Yeah.
or the other, and everyone's exploring something. I think that's why everyone is so busy. You know, they say in Mumbai, आप बॉम्बे आते ही बहुत busy हो जाते हो. आपके पास
Yeah.
वक्त होने के बाद भी
Yeah.
वक्त नहीं होता.
Yeah.
We feel
Yeah.
it very strongly, I think, since
है ना?
moving here. Yeah. We moved here, 4 months ago?
And अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं भी है ना, हम ढूंढ रहे होते हैं कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी
Yeah.
मिल जाए, कुछ हो जाए, कुछ हो सकता है. हमारे पास काम नहीं होता, मैं और आर्या बैठ के ढूंढ रहे होते हैं और क्या काम कर सकते हैं हम.
Yeah.
हमें बैठना ही नहीं है आराम से.
Yeah.
You don't feel like resting when you're in the city.
Yes, I think the city does that
The
to
city
you.
has
And I
an
moved
effect on
when I was very young, and I think coming to eventually to question how I do everything, it's a thrill for
Yeah.
me to be able to achieve everything by the end of the day. It's a list of things, and everything is ticked off.
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh, that's a
Is there like more stuff? Like you've already achieved a lot. in your professional career, but is there like more avenues that you feel like you
What are your
want to pursue?
dreams? Is what.
Yeah, bucket list पे क्या है types?
कि काश मैं इतनी बड़ी मूवी करूं कि मैं पोस्टर पे हूं और किसी और के पॉडकास्ट रूम में मेरा पोस्टर लगा हुआ हो. So,
Okay, that's
वो एक सपना है.
that's a.
बड़ी पिक्चरें करनी है, पोस्टर पे होना है, हीरोइन होना है.
Mm-hmm.
बिजनेस में सिर्फ यूनिकॉर्न बन के नहीं सेटल होना है, मुझे बिलियनर बनना है निशहर के साथ, या जो भी बिजनेस मैं करूँ, आई वांट टू बी अ बिलियनर. एंड विद सोशल मीडिया ऑल्सो, इफ एनीथिंग आई क्रिएट विद माई कॉन्टेंट, why not? I mean, that needs to stand out. And I think that also is a mixture of both, because I'm an actor and entrepreneur. That's what reflects, and the kind of scripts also end up doing for my social media. So these are my 3 avenues where I'm working, and all 3 dreams. And if I can achieve it one day, that'll be so awesome. And then we are doing it when you guys are billionaires too, and you guys are thriving and the biggest podcasters in the country.
Let's
And
go,
we do
bro.
this
then.
again.
This is so
Beautiful.
sweet.
This was
What
so
a way to what a way to end this.
I have never been
Such a-
so motivated in my life.
Let's go get some work done now.
Feel good.
Anish, coffee.
Yes, we need to thank the coffee too.
Yeah.
No, but we'll do this for sure. Yeah, you're always welcome whenever you want. Whenever you feel like talking,
Yeah. Just
whenever
come
you
on.
feel like it's opening
Come
up.
Never you feel
Magenta,
like sending us
whatever.
some hair.
No that time there's no magenta.
There'll be
No,
something
no.
else.
Why do we have to only do this on camera?
Yeah.
We can just chill.
Yes,
Otherwise,
for sure,
right?
for sure.
We're friends now.
We're friends now. Yeah, I feel connected to you.
After this,
From your roots.
From our roots.
Okay, chalo.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you for doing
doing
this.
this.
Thank you guys.
Thank
It's
you.
a lot
It
of
was
fun.
actually a lot of fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
thank you.
I feel on another level connected now with
Yeah.
you guys. Give me the other hand. It's like the connection. Now, continue the connection.
Oh, we
This
have
is
to
the-
hold hands on.
Just hold my hand.
I was passing on the energy.
Sorry.
Because that's
Energy
the
is
energy.
being passed. ठीक है.
We are one with the universe.
He's like, oh, we are holding hands or what? Ew.